Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3. We are going to present our discussion about learning principle, which is called continuity. First, let us introduce our team. My name is Dwi Aryani, and here we have Fitriani, Aulia Ainun Arsa, Anissa Dewi Puspitasari, Diva Sabrina Ayu Mayastika, and Etika Nur Susianti. So, let's start from the first speaker. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Here, I will explain about the definition of the learning principle. Principle of continuity is a principle in curriculum development that needs to pay attention to continuity within the classroom level and in the level of education, so that there is no repetition of material delivery at the same level. To avoid this, it can be done by compiling the scope and sequence of each subject in the type and level of the education program. Scope means scope, while sequence means sequence or systematic. Okay, thank you. Now move to the next speaker. Please, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Miss Anissa Dewi. Here's the example of the implementation. So there is a descriptive text material in junior high school, then continue in senior high school. So in the junior high school, it's a simple descriptive text, and in senior high school, it becomes more complicated or more complex. Okay, move to the next speaker. Thank you.
So yeah, the next example of the implementation is in junior high school, students learn about the material about descriptive text is in simple, in which it is explained about animal or it can be person to know the generic structure and using familiar vocabulary. Next speaker, please.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Diva. So here's the other example of the implementation. So in senior high school, descriptive text more focus on analyzing the structure, topics about public places or tourist destination, and the vocabulary is more complicated. So in what makes it different in the vocabulary and the topics. I can move to Ms. Fitrani.
Okay, the other example is the use of tenses in junior high school and then continued in senior high school. So, we have taught by the teacher tenses from junior high school, but it is just the basic tenses like simple present, simple past, and it will be more variative tenses that taught in the senior high school. Thanks. Then the next speaker.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Fitriani. For the next, as Ms. Fitriani said before, in the junior high school, the students learn tenses in the basic form and then continue to senior high school. The students will learn the formula of the tenses in the form, for example, in the form of conditional sentence. So the formula is complex, the junior high school. In the senior high school, the students should learn in the context. So the students have to combine one tenses with another tenses. Thank you. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you for all the speakers. I think enough from our group. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.